Determination of field density of soil by sand replacement method. For soils such as hard soil or granular soil, where core cutter method cannot be applied, sand replacement method is used for determination of field density of soil. We will needing a calibrating sand which passes through 1 mm is sieve. First, we take a calibrating container, determine its volume by taking its measurement and doing some sample calculations. Take the sand pouring cylinder. A is a hollow cylinder, which has a cone-type structure at bottom. At the top of cone, there is a small hole, so the sand cone pass through it. Hole can be open or closed using a shutter provided. Fill this sand pouring cylinder with sand up to the top and take its weight to note down weight W1. Then we put the sand pouring cylinder over the calibrating container and open the shutter so as to let the sand fall in and fill the container completely. Close the shutter and remove the cylinder. Now take weight of this cylinder with the remaining soil and note down weight W3. We will notice a cone-type heap of sand has been made over the calibrating container. To determine its weight, we take a glass plate and put the sand pouring cylinder on it. Again, open its shutter and let the sand fill the conical pan of the cylinder. When soil movement stops, close the shutter and remove the cylinder. Then weight the soil on the glass plate and note down the weight W2. Using these, we can calculate how much soil was used to fill the volume of calibrating container. We say this rate as W, which can be written as W1 minus W3 minus W2. Hence, bulk unit weight of the sand can be determined by its formula and will be equal to this. Now come to the field where unit weight of the soil need to be estimated. Clean and level a small area on the ground. Take a metal tray with a central hole in the middle of it, then lay it on the clean surface. Now excavate the ground from this hole, using tools for excavating holes up to 15 cm, and collect all the excavated soil into the tray. After that, collect all that excavated soil and take its weight. Hold this weight as WW. Next, fill the sand pouring cylinder with sand up to top. Again, weight the cylinder and note down new W1. Then place this sand pouring cylinder over the excavated hole. Concentric align, open the shutter, and allow no movement of sand is observed. Close the shutter and remove the cylinder. Weight the cylinder with the remaining sand and note weight W4. Then determine the weight of soil in the hole and determine the bulk density. Keep a representative sample of the excavated sample of the soil for water content determination. After the determination of moisture content, determine the dry density.